clothing.
Alright, before I go into the car and get old whatever, take a little bit of oil, coat the O-ring, then we're going to fill up the oil filter pretty much as we can. I mean, don't get too crazy with it. Okay, like that. That's one way to do it. Just spill it all over the place. Whew. Woza. I just let it drain out a little bit there. Before I forget to tighten this up, 20 foot-pounds. Yeah, that's not very much, is it? Oh. Remember, you want to screw it by hand, no tools. But when we get it up to where it meets the surface, then we're going to turn it 3/4 more of a turn. And that's right there on the outside of the oil filter as far as instructions. Apparently it got oil in there. It's kind of hard to tighten it down if dang oil's all over it. Alright, so right there. Alright. Alright. So this guy takes roughly 8 quarts of oil. So I'm going to fill it up about 8 quarts and then let it settle and check it. All right, like I said, let it sit a couple minutes, then check.